What's up, YouTube creators here? In this video we're gonna do an oil change in the C6 Corvette. By the way, if you don't know, it's a 2005 with the 6-speed manual and this C51 performance package. So for the regular one, that's not a C51, you're supposed to use 5.5 quarts of oil, but since this has the trans cooler for the manual transmission, you're gonna use 6. Got the filter right there. Altogether from that, the filter and those two, I think it's something like 45 bucks or something. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's nothing, it's not a dry oil sump, whatever, so it should be same as any regular car. I would suggest, if you don't know anything about cars, just have somebody do it for you. But I mean, if you know a thing or two, you should be fine. It's nothing complicated. Got the toolbox, got the little ghetto set up right now. I got the low profile jack that doesn't even fit on this Corvette or any Corvette, but there's the hood release. There you go. Like I said, it's an LS2, so it's a 6.0 liter LS motor. Yeah. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's like 20 something degrees outside. This thing is frozen. Well, let's just hope it doesn't overflow. I still don't know the size of the socket, but I'll figure out when I get there. Let's see. Okay, I kid you not, I was just down here for like 40 minutes trying to get this damn bolt out. It's so stuck to the thing, but I finally got it out. Now it's stuck again. Oh man, see? Let me see. Oh, what I was gonna say? Yeah, just as a side note, YouTube sent me an email that they're no longer gonna monetize them, so they just unmonetized my channel yesterday for whatever reason. Apparently now you have to have like 4,000 hours of views in 12 months, and also, god damn it, 1,000 subscribers, which I only have like 200 right now. But yeah, so they said they're no longer gonna monetize my channel. I don't know why, but I mean, they never gave me shit in the first place, so I'm not even mad. I'm just like, hey man, some people do live off of YouTube, but not me. I got an actual full-time job, that's why I never have time to make videos. But hey, when I do have time, I always make some videos. God damn it. Oh, fuck. I just pulled one of the Daniel stunts when he pulled the oil plug out of the Ferrari and it just splashed everywhere. See, it's not the first time that happens to me. But yeah, like I was saying, apparently they're not gonna monetize my channel until I meet those requirements. But I mean, if they're not gonna monetize it, then I don't have to bleep myself out anymore.